Hello guys, I am Deepak and very soon I'll be taking your sessions on app development with Flutter, and for that I need you all to install Flutter in your PCs. So let's dive into the video on how to install and properly set up Flutter in your PC. Okay, so here we will search Flutter and we go to their website. And here you will see the get started button. We click on it and we will select our platform, and below this there is a button to download latest version of Flutter's SDK, and we will download this. And for this video I have downloaded it already. We will also need Git, and we go to the Git's website. Here we select our PC's platform and installer, and it will be downloaded. Again, we will also need Android Studio as it is an IDE required to code Flutter apps. So let's go to Android Studio's website, and here you will see the download button, and we will click on it. And once we click on it, we will accept all the licenses and the download will be started. For now we will close our browser, and I have already downloaded these applications here. So let's start by installing Git first of all, as it's the easiest. Just next. And here we will also click next. And Git will be installed soon. While the Git is installing, let's unzip our Flutter's SDK, and for that let's open. So I'll be using WinRAR to unzip our Flutter's SDK, and let's do this. This step is crucial as we need to select the folder with right privileges. It does not need to have high privileges or the Flutter will not work properly. So for now we will install into dev folder under C drive, and we click OK, and this will soon be extracted as well. So let's go to our Android Studio. Let's see first our Git has installed, and we finish it, and let's close this now, and let's start by installing our Android Studio. We click on next. We will, for now, not select Android virtual device. This takes extra space and internet. And then we click on next again, install. And this will soon be installed as well. So as you can see, our Android Studio is installed. So we will finish and start Android Studio. And for me it has opened by default, but for you guys it will not open like this. So let's close the project for now. So we will let this Android Studio process in the background, and our Flutter's installation is complete as well. For now what we need to do is we go to the C drive and open the folder that we have installed our Flutter in, and we will click exactly here and select the folder's path. So for our PC to recognize that we have installed the Flutter, we need to update system variables. And for that, we will go to environment variables and we will update only user variables. We do not need to update system variables, just the user variables. And we click on path, new, and we do this and okay. So what we will do now is open command prompt to check whether Flutter has installed properly or not. And when you run this command for the very first time, it will take some time in order to process. So let this continue in the background. And here we will come back to our Android Studio. We will click on next and install the SDKs. Okay, we'll leave it for now. What we will do is we will go to plugins and search for Flutter. For me it is already installed, but for you guys again this will not be installed. So let me show you how to install it from fresh. Okay, again it is downloading SDK components as you guys can see. So let's skip it for now. In the Flutter, we will run this command flutter doctor. Again, it's taking some time, so we will wait. Here we will accept the licenses and click on finish. So it will download the SDK in the background. We will go back to Flutter Doctor while it is running. We'll wait. Okay, as you can see, our Flutter Doctor command has run successfully, but it is giving us this error of Android toolchain that it is unable to locate our SDK. And for that, we are running this downloading of Android SDK through Android Studio. That is the only place we should download Android SDK from. And we will let it run and see whether this corrects the issue in Flutter Doctor or not. Other than that, all the categories are fine. This Visual Studio category is showing some error, but we do not need to fix that as this is for developing Windows applications. Okay guys, as you can see that our Android SDK has finished installing. So we will click on the finish button and firstly we will run the flutter doctor command to see what it is showing right now. And this command has run successfully and we can see these two errors in Android toolchain. So to fix, we will fix this second error. We will run this command, copy paste it from here, and it says Android SDK manager has not found. So first we will install SDK manager. For that we will create a new project and actually let's guess this. So let's install Flutter plugin in our Android Studio. Once this Flutter plugin has installed, so we will need to restart our IDE. Let's restart this. And now you can see that in our project section, this new button has appeared, new Flutter project. Let's click on this and click on next. Here we will need to update our Flutter SDK path where we have installed the Flutter. And we click on next. And we will name our project something. And we click on create. When we open the project for the very first time, it will take some time in order to process. So we will wait. And till then we will go to this tools and click on SDK manager. Here we will go to SDK tools and we will wait. Here this we need to select Android SDK command line tools and we will select this. And let me see if we need something else. Yeah, this is fine. We will click on OK and it will download this file. And we need to accept these licenses. Click on next. And in this screen it will take some time while downloading the tools. So let's wait. So as you can see that SDK components have finished installing. We will click on the finish button. And again we will check Flutter doctor command. No, Flutter doctor. And this time it is only showing a warning because we need to run this command and accept all the licenses of Flutter. So we will run this command. Here we will type Y for yes. Again Y. And this is all set up. Now we run this Flutter doctor command and all the components are showing green tick, which means that we are good to go and the Flutter is all set up. And I would like to add that if you guys need any more help other than this video, if you are having any particular issue, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp number. And that is it for today. Thank you.